Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 23, problem number 75 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And we are asked in this problem to devise a stepwise mechanism for the following reaction, which is functionally a ring expansion. Okay, and so the only reagents we're using here are sulfuric acid and water. And so the first step is going to be protonation of the ketone. So that will look like this. Okay. After that, we're going to have a protonated ketone, obviously. And we're going to need to draw the resonance structures for this to see what happens next. So here's our protonated ketone with only one lone pair and a positive charge. And so these electrons can move like this. And when that happens, we'll then be here. Oof. Okay, so like this. There's now a positive charge on the carbon here. And so the electrons of this double bond can move. And we'll get another resonance structure that looks like this. And so this is actually the important one for this reaction, this resonance structure. So we have a positive charge here now. And what can happen is the carbon-carbon bond can shift. So like this, and this would be a 1-2 shift. So 1-2 shift. And when that happens, that's how we go from a 5-membered ring to a 6-membered ring. So there we go. And of course, now we will have the positive charge situated on this carbon, and there will be a proton here. And that proton can get picked off by the conjugate base of the sulfuric acid. From the first step. So I can pick that off, and those electrons can go there. And obviously this would be desirable because it's going to establish aromaticity in this ring. And so that's always a pretty strong driving force. So we now have an aromatic ring up here. And then we have our other 6-membered ring down here. Okay, and so that's the mechanism for this reaction. So it's a protonation, and then the double bond rearranges, which presents an opportunity for a 1-2 shift, and then deprotonation to establish a third double bond and aromaticity. And that is the answer to chapter 23, problem number 75.